video, I want to explain about how dangerous to click the malicious link in the internet. And why this danger? Because the malicious user can using the technique like this. This is called cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting, there is two different cross-site scripting. One is persistent and the second is non-persistent. But this time I want to explain how the malicious user using cross-site scripting type persistent. Okay, in general, the step-by-step is the malicious user or the hacker will inject the script in the website that you have an account or login. He upload the script. The script will be live in the website, like so. After that, he will search the script. He will search the link in the site, and then after that, after he find the link, the hacker or the malicious user will send that link to you, maybe in the comment or in your email. That script or the malicious script will be active if you click that link. When you click that link, you will send your information like cookies to the server of the hacker or malicious user. And that's how the hacker or malicious user can steal your account in that web that you visit. Okay, now maybe you confused with my explanation, and I think it will be easier if I demonstrate how that process happen. So consider that you have an account in the social media like this. Consider this is the social media, and then to open that social media you must log in first, right? So consider that the username is user and the password is password, and then you must log in. And consider this is the content of your account. Okay, so only you can access this page because you already logged in here, but another user can access that. He must be logged in first, right? So consider this another user is a malicious user. He want to steal your account. So how we do that? First, he will research or search about the weakness of this website, and after that he know that in this website he can upload image, and then he can see the image in here like this. Yeah, you can see the image in here like this. So remember that the first step is hacker inject the trusted website with the malicious script. Now we will get in the first step. So like this. Oh yeah, I forget that. Consider the malicious user have this malicious script. So this is the malicious script that I talking about in this first step. Okay. So this malicious script, it's the PHP script because this website is built using PHP. Okay, now I will practice this. Title is whatever. Oh yeah, first I want to demonstrate that you can upload the image in here. Let's see. Let's upload this image and then submit, and then let's refresh and voila, This is the image that we upload. And now, what if we upload something that is not image? Like this. Title is whatever and caption is whatever. But what we upload is the malicious script. And then submit. Let's see. Oh, as you can see, because this is not the image, it will not show. But if we check the page source, you will see there's a link like this. And then voila, this is the malicious link that the good user like you must be not click this link. Okay. Now consider the malicious user send this link to the good user via email or comment box or something. Like this. And then after you click that link, in the perspective of the good user, you will see nothing. There's nothing happen. But in the perspective of the malicious user, what he got is accumulated in here. You see here, this is the cookie of the good user, and then that's how the malicious user can steal your cookies. And then now you ask, so what the effect if the malicious user have our cookies? Okay, now I want to explain that. Consider this is the perspective of the malicious user. So as you know, if I want to log in to the account of the good user, I must log in first, right? But what if I say that I don't need to log in? I can do in the another way. I can access this page using the cookies from that good user. And then I will using this. Oh yeah, before I practice this in the browser, I will show you how these cookies work. What the effect when I steal the cookies. Okay. Here I will using curl. If I just using vanilla curl like this, it will be respond to nothing because I don't log in. But if I'm using or the malicious user using the cookies that I already steal, we are using single quote because in the cookies have a double quote. If I'm using these cookies, you will see something like this, right? See, this is the content that the good user can. This is the content that only the good user can access. But using the cookies, the web server of that site or that trusted site acknowledge the call here as the good user, because how the web server can differentiate between any user is using this cookie. The web server thought that we are that good user. And now, how to use the cookies in the browser like Chrome. The malicious user will using it like this. He will copy and paste the variable in the cookies like this. And then I will copy and paste this until this curly brace. Okay, now I already copy all the cookies here and all the variable here. Now let's just access the get user account, and voila, you see, we can access this page without login. So that's why that when the hacker or the malicious user steal your cookies, it will be very dangerous. And now after he access your account, he can like something like change your password or doing something nasty to you in the site, right? Okay, now we know how dangerous is this link, like this check.php link. But what if you curious with this link? What if when you get this link, you're curious, but you know this is maybe dangerous? How to open this link without getting your account stolen? It's easy. Just open that in the incognito window. In the Chrome, you can using the incognito mode. So you can just open that link, and it will not stealing your account. Why? Because in the incognito mode, your cookies in the normal mode will be not loaded, so he will not send the same cookie. Here is the cookie in the normal mode, as you can see here, and then here is the cookie in the incognito mode. So the malicious user or hacker will get nothing. And that is how dangerous to click the malicious link in the internet. I hope now you understand how dangerous this thing is, and you know that at least how to prevent this, like using the incognito mode. Okay, see you in the another video.